Here's the broken piece that went in there, something like that. That screw attached to that hole there in this bracket, so it's broken. It's no good. So I gotta fix that. So just make yourself a template, however you want to make a template. I use cardboard, heavy cardboard, cardboard from a cardboard box, a cereal box, whatever, just to make a template. And then this is the template I made out of cardboard. That will simply go in there like that. And then I'll put an offset up here in this area here, similar to the one on this side that you can't see on the camera right now, but you've seen it, and I'll flash another picture of it. But it's going to have an offset. That way we go from this surface to this surface here. Couple of screws. That'll take care of it. That's the best I can do. Again, you make the template however you want to make the template. For me, I made it out of cardboard, and I'm going to cut it out of a piece of stainless I got laying around. I don't know if you want to see the cutting of the stainless or not. I'm betting not. It's just going to be loud and noisy. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out off camera, and then I'll show you how it fits, and then I'll probably show you how to put the offset bend in there. Nothing textbook though. Here is what the template looks like scribed on material. Stainless, I don't know what this, I think this is 40 thousandths, 50 thousandths, somewhere like that. So it's not heavy, and it's not thin, but for what it's doing, it's roughly about the same thickness as this bracket here. So I just wanted to show you that. I'll cut it out now. Alright, I guess I got carried away and I got it all made up and bent. I don't have the holes drilled in it yet. It's nothing fancy. Again, just a piece of stainless. And it's just going to slide right up in there like that. Now let's see, is that pretty good? Yeah, that's pretty good, just like it is right there. And then let's just temporarily secure it in place, because I have to check for clearance on the windshield. So we got plenty of clearance there. We're not even coming close. Got about a 1/4 inch clearance in there. So now I got to put the screws in. A couple holes here, a couple holes there. Drill them into the bracket, drill them into the plastic, and wrap it up. All right, here's the part with the holes. Now I'm just going to kind of put it in place here. Then I'll have to mark the positions. Put this little pair of vice grips back in there. Oh, that's right. Now we're going to do those two first. This bracket is steel, so there we go. I can tell you one thing for sure, the camera's going to be in the way, so I'm going to have to move the camera before I start to drill, so let me do that. All right, hopefully the paper towel will shed most of it out, at least to where I can get it, keep it clean. start with a 16th drill. Yeah, that made a big difference. So they all line up. And that's the repair. Now I just got to put the lock washers on, tighten everything up, and then that'll be done. And then we'll put everything back together and wrap this boy up. There it is, all fastened up with lock washers and flat washers where needed. So again, that area was completely missing and cracked. So I made this bracket here, just like I made this bracket here. This was a couple years ago. So now both of these brackets here, which seem to tie in the main structure of the inner fairing to the triple trees. Now it's back fastened on this side. So the repairs that were made: replace this threaded insert and add this bracket to replace this broken webbing that had a threaded insert that went into this hole. I jimmied this around for a while with a screw, and it appears to be nice and tight, so I'm going to leave that alone. This was one I made a couple years ago, same time I made this bracket, so I think that's everything that needs to be attacked inside of the fairing. So I guess just reassembly is in order. And basically that's a reverse of the disassembly. So I don't think I need to film that. I'll just put it back together and just show you what it looks like, which is like a finished motorcycle, I guess. Alright, and here is the completed projects on the fairing of the Electra Glide Classic, Ultra Classic. So you can see, I don't know if you remember how this was much looser, more loose. So I replaced the threaded insert in there, so this has got a good bite now, the way it should be. And you cannot see where I added the bracket to the bracket that attaches to the triple tree. to replace the broken portion of the inner fairing where there was a threaded insert, which was this here. This was the broken portion of the inner fairing. I don't know how they get cracked, but they crack. Just time, age of the plastic. You know. Again, thanks for watching on this one. This is Mike with Plus 8 Precision in the motorcycle shop this time. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. If you enjoy watching the video, consider subscribing. Leave a comment, good or bad. Thumbs up, thumbs down, hopefully thumbs up, but, you know, hey. And this is Mike with Plus 8 Precision. Thanks for watching.